Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Google Nest device, complete guide step by step clearly. To reset your Google Nest device, start by locating the physical reset button. The reset button is usually found at the back or bottom of the device. Ensure that the device is plugged into a power source. Once you have located the reset button, press and hold it. Continue to hold the button for about 10 to 15 seconds. You will notice a flashing light indicating that the device is resetting. Release the button when the light changes to a blinking orange or white. This indicates that the device is entering the reset mode. Wait for the device to finish the reset process. This may take a couple of minutes. Once the device is reset, it will return to its factory settings. You will then see a steady white light once the reset is complete. At this point, your Google Nest device is ready to be set up as new. You can now use the Google Home app to reconfigure your device. Open the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. Ensure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi network you want the device to join. You may also need to log in with your Google account during setup. Once completed, your Google Nest device will be functional again. Feel free to customize your settings as needed to enhance your experience. That's how you reset your Google Nest device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.